Alexander Hales's full name is Alexander Daniel Hales. He was born on the 3rd of January 1989 in Hillingdon, London, England. His nickname is Hales. He is not married. He is a cricketer and plays for the England cricket team. He is a right-handed batsman and right-arm medium bowler. His Test debut was on the 26th of December 2015 versus South Africa. His ODI debut was on the 27th of August 2014 versus India, and his T20 debut was on the 31st of August 2011 versus India. His ODI number and T20 shirt number is 10. He is an opener batsman. He is clever in batting and plays as per the situation, and when needed, he becomes a hard hitter for the team. Alexander Hales single-handedly helped England to win many matches with his all-rounder performance. His highest score till today in ODI is 171 and in T20 is 116 and in IPL is 45. Till today, in ODI, he made 6 centuries and 14 50s. In Test matches, he made 5 50s. In T20, he made 1 century and 11 50s. His best scores in ODI are 171 versus Pakistan, 147 versus Australia and 133 versus Sri Lanka. In Test match, are 94 versus Sri Lanka, 60 versus South Africa and 54 versus Pakistan. In T20, are 116 versus Sri Lanka, 99 versus West Indies and 94 versus Australia.